Good morning, class 2. Are you ready for the grammar tree? Let's take out your books and open page number 19. Page number 19. Before starting the work, girls write today's date 25/6/20, classwork Thursday. Today we are going to do fill in the blanks with suitable adjective. Yesterday we have done fill in the blanks with nouns, but today we are going to do fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Girls, I have done for you 3. I have done for you, and rest you have to do it by yourself. I'm going to read it. Number 1. The old man lived in a small house. The old man lived in a small house. 2. They put the empty packets in the dustbin. They put the empty packets in the dustbin. Number 3. Zara dropped the heavy bucket full of water. Zara dropped the heavy bucket full of water. Now, next you have to do it by yourself. 4. He bit into a dash and dash apple. 5. Faraz gave Aisha a dash computer game on her birthday. 6. The boys made a dash snowman with the dash snow. 7. The hippopotamus is a dash animal. 8. Take off your dash boots at the door before you come in. Take off your dash boots at the door before you come in. 9. Saima has very dash manners. 10. It was raining and dash clouds covered the sky. Now girls, you have to do it by yourself. Before that, I'm going to read this for you. You have just learned that an adjective comes before a noun, that it describes or qualifies. For example, cunning fox, cold water, fresh vegetables, hot soup. Cunning, cold, fresh, hot. These are adjectives. Fox, water, vegetables, and soup. These are nouns. An adjective may sometimes be placed somewhere else in the sentence. It must, however, qualify or describe a noun, common or proper. The sky is blue. Her hair is black. Bobby is hungry. In the first sentence, blue. Blue describes the common noun sky. Sky is common noun. In the second sentence, black. Black describes the common noun hair. Hair is common noun. In the third sentence, hungry describes the proper noun Bobby. In third sentence, hungry describes the proper noun. Proper noun is Bobby. Now, F. Activity F. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. First, we have to fill, and now we are going to underline. The ugly giant lived in an enormous castle by the sea. So we have to underline adjectives. So ugly and enormous, both are adjectives. Number 2, the old woman picked up the dry sticks. So old and dry, these are adjectives. These are adjectives, old and dry. Number 3, the little girl is happy. The little girl is happy. Little and happy, both are adjectives. So girls, I have done these 3 for you, and next you have to do it by yourself. So come to the page number 20. Page number 20. I'm going to read these sentences for you. Number 4, the boy ate the cold soup with some bread that was stale. 5, the road was a wide one. 6, Robin was sad. 7, let us go to the new cafe down the road and have hot coffee. 8, cartoons are funny. 9, the lion opened his white mouth in a big yawn. 10, the fairy waved her magic wand and a huge pumpkin appeared. 11, the giant was greedy and cruel. 12, these sums are easy. 13, the water of the lake was blue and clear. 14, the knife is shiny and sharp. 15, my pet cat is fat and lazy. So girls, till lazy you have to do your work, and girls, you have to underline it very carefully. Thank you.